Now we are discussing problem number B, fair numbers from Codeforces Round 692, Div 2 based on Technocup 2021, Elimination Round. Time limit per test case is 2 seconds and memory limit is 256 megabytes. The input and output are a standard. So let's read the question. We call a positive number fair if it is divisible by each of its non-zero digits. For example, 102 is fair because it is divisible by 1 and 2. But 282 is not fair because it is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 8. Given a positive integer n, find the minimum integer x such that x is greater than or equal to n and x is fair. We have already seen the definition of fair. Means it should be divisible by, the number should be divisible by all of its digits. Okay. The number of test cases are 1000 and n can vary from 1 to 10 to the power 18. Okay, fine. So suppose that we have one fair number. Okay, means one number we have given as input. We don't know whether it's fair. Okay, so for getting it, so this problem is very simple. Means actually at first I thought that maybe it should have some trick, but then I just tried the brute force method and it was done. Okay, so here let's have a function boolean function. It will return true if the number is fair, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so in this boolean function we have we initialize another variable temp equal to n, where n is the number which is to be checked whether it is fair or not. Okay, so while n is greater than 0, let's take the last digit of n at an instant. It's not n, means k, in every loop k is one of the digits of n. Okay, so if k equal to 0, we'll just divide n by 10 so that we can get the next digit in the next iteration. Otherwise we will see whether 10 is divisible by the present digit of n or not. Okay, if it's not divisible, we will return false and break the loop. Otherwise we'll keep continuing the loop till n is greater than 0. After that we will return true. Okay, so the maximum number of iterations for checking whether an integer is fair or not is 18. Okay, because every time n is divided by 10 and the maximum value of n can be 10 to the power 18. Okay, so here we will take we have taken t inputs. For every input we have taken one integer. For every test case we have taken one integer as an input. Okay, so we are just checking whether n is fair or not. If n is fair, we'll just if n is not fair, we'll just increment n. Okay, otherwise we will break the it will come out of the while loop. Okay, so while it's not fair, n will keep increasing and after that we'll finally output n. So this is a pretty brute force approach and it worked. As you can see, it has passed all the test cases. Total how many test cases it has? There's 24 test cases that it has passed all the test cases. So if you enjoy this video, please like it, share it with your friends. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment box below and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your attention.